crows aren't just birds. They might be some of the smartest animals on the planet. They use tools, solve puzzles, and even remember human faces. Could they be more intelligent than we think? Studies show that crows can craft tools, a skill once thought unique to humans and primates. They can solve multi-step puzzles, planning their moves in advance. And they never forget a face, even recognizing humans who have wronged them years later. But here's the real question: do crows actually think? Some researchers believe they can plan for the future, understand others' intentions, and maybe even have a sense of self-awareness. So, are crows just birds, or something much more?